guys, welcome to Ultimate Survival Tips. I'm David. So we slammed together this quick pre-Christmas video and pushed aside some new skills and survival kit videos to let you know about one of the new products that I've been working on while I've been away from YouTube. It just arrived in time for Christmas, so I wanted to tell you about it. But first, I want to thank you for the overwhelming support of our newest project, the Survival Show Podcast. Because of you, we made the top 10 podcasts in our category on iTunes the day after we launched. Craig and I have been overwhelmed by your support, great feedback, and fantastic reviews, so thank you. But if you haven't checked out the Survival Show Podcast yet, or if you're new to podcasts, go check it out now on iTunes or any other podcast app or site that you use. To help you get there, you can scan the code on your screen, click the link over here, or use one of the links in the video description. Now let's take a look at the new gear that just arrived. To start, here's the backstory. About 2 years ago, I was approached by a representative of one of the world's most elite Special Forces units. His request was for me to develop a version of the MSK-1 for combat and SERE applications. After a lot of research and development, I'm proud to tell you that a number of MSK-1 SERE prototypes are now in the hands of Special Forces troops internationally. Initial feedback is outstanding, and at this pace, MSK-1 SERE may be available to tactical, first responder, and military organizations as early as January 2020. But throughout this process, I began to dream of a new MSK-1 combat sheath that was worthy of the new MSK-1 SERE, having the adaptability of my other MSK-1 sheaths. I realized that my original combat sheath lacked the versatility I wanted and fell short in several important areas to combat troops. So after a year of concept development and 6 months of prototyping with one of the world's top Kydex sheath manufacturers in the USA, I'm proud to announce the MSK-1 Combat SERE Sheath. MSK-1 Combat SERE Sheath features ambidextrous left or right-handed setup, a 3-in-1 carry system with belt carry, scout carry, and inverted carry options. A heavy-duty quick-release belt clip, multiple positions on the sheath to set up add-on gear how you want for incredible customization, a fully adjustable knife retention system for quick release and extra tension when you need it, lower strap slots for securing your sheath to gear or gear to your sheath, a removable desert tan outer layer so you can easily change the look of your sheath from camo to solid OD green and back. And this sheath accepts all existing MSK-1 add-on gear, including our standard black Kydex Fire Steel and MSK-1 mini sheaths. As you can see, the MSK-1 Combat SERE Sheath may be one of the most versatile Kydex sheaths ever developed. But best of all, it's available right now in time for Christmas at a special introductory price of $99 for the complete set with select MSK-1 packages until December 15th, 2018. This is $45 off our original combat sheath bundle price. Now, due to limited quantities, this sheath is not currently available as a standalone item, but it will be in early 2019. As an added Christmas bonus, I want to give you free shipping to the USA or a $35 international shipping on select knife packages until December 15th, 2018, or until we run out of knives, whichever comes first. Now, I know the MSK-1 is not for everyone, but if it's for you, there's no better time to pick one up than right now. Just know that we only have about 100 MSK-1s left in stock, so if you or someone you love wants an MSK-1 for Christmas, now is the time. Look for my full MSK-1 combat sheath review and setup video soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the Survival Show Podcast. You'll be glad you did, and it's totally free. For your convenience, I put links to the MSK-1 Combat SERE Sheath and the Survival Show Podcast in the video description on YouTube. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm David. I hope to see you on the other side, and remember, be prepared because you never know.